Microsoft Azure Fundamentals Outline. If you're looking to learn Azure Fundamentals, there are various courses available that can help you master the basics. These courses cover everything from the basics of cloud computing with Azure to essential knowledge about the Azure platform. Azure Cloud Basics Syllabus. The Azure Cloud Basics Syllabus provides an overview of Azure services, core concepts, and infrastructure. It is designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of the Azure platform. Overview of Azure Fundamentals. It covers everything from the basics of cloud computing to advanced Azure services. By going through the program, you can gain a deeper understanding of Azure and its capabilities. Microsoft Azure Training Content. The Microsoft Azure training content is designed to help you develop essential skills and knowledge about Azure services. It covers topics such as cloud infrastructure basics, core concepts, and Azure essentials. Understanding Azure services. Azure services are a crucial component of the Azure platform. By understanding Azure services, you can leverage them to build scalable and reliable cloud solutions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals Outline provides you with a comprehensive guide to mastering Azure basics,